Now, a fresh legal battle looms at the Court of Appeal following a move by the DCP party leader Rigathi Gachagua to challenge a High Court decision that upheld his removal from office. According to Rigathi Gachagua, some parts of the verdict read in open court are not the same as the judgment given in written verdict. He claims that some key portions were omitted from the written version. Ian Nzive reports on Gachagua's new fight back.
Gachagua's challenge goes beyond whether the High Court got its decision right. He is questioning the completeness and consistency of the judgment delivered by Justices Eric Ogola, Anthony Mrima and Freda Mugambi. His lawyers have identified sections after paragraphs 484, 488, 503 and 508 which they say were missing from the written judgment. One of the disputed passages concerns the finding that Gachagua's rights had been violated. Gachagua says Justice Anthony Mrima's judgment entitled him to remedies, including relief and reasonable damages. He argues that this portion, read publicly, was not included in the written judgment supplied to the parties. Another disputed passage relates to Gachagua's decision not to seek reinstatement as deputy president. He says the judges addressed the issue when delivering the judgment, but that the passage was later omitted from the written version. Gachagua argues that the omission left the court's reasoning on that specific relief incomplete. Gachagua says the omissions affected the court's reasoning and also challenges its treatment of the constitutional distinction between removing a deputy president and a governor. He says the judges addressed Articles 144, 145 and 181 of the Constitution during the televised delivery. But that part of the reasoning is missing from the written judgment. At the heart of his appeal is whether the written judgment accurately reflects what was delivered in open court and whether the alleged omissions affected the decision to uphold his impeachment. The Court of Appeal will now have to decide. Ian Nzive, KTN, Nairobi.
Now, Kiharu Member of Parliament Ndindi Nyoro has now